What's going on, everybody? Today's tutorial is going to be on how to do a mid-bald taper. Let's get to it. Using the number 5 guard, I'm using this to go around the whole head so that I'm making sure the whole thing is all even. With the first guideline, I'm starting at the top of the hook and ending it at the ear. Next, you want to grab your shavers, shaving off all the stubble, making that bald effect. Next, you want to grab your clippers with no guard, lever closed, and you want to go up about a ½ inch. Grab your trimmers and try to flick out that harsh line as much as you can. Still see that harsh line, you just want to grab your shavers and flick that out a little bit more. Now with your 0 guard, you want to go lever closed and go up about another ½ inch. Next, we're going no guard, lever open, and you just want to flick up, starting that fade process. Right here, I close the lever halfway so that I can fade even more. Now with my number 1 guard with the lever closed, I'm going up about another ½ inch. Right here, I grabbed my number 2 guard with the lever closed and I'm going up where I want the fade to stop. Right here is my 1 guard with the lever open and I'm using this to fade from the 1 to the 2. Here, I close the lever so that I can fade out any dark spots that I see. Starting with the back taper, I like to line up around the ear and down to the neck. For the first guideline, I like to imagine a line at the bottom of the ears. Now grab your shavers and knock out that stubble. Now you just want to grab your clippers with no guard with the lever closed and go up about a ½ inch. Now you just want to grab your trimmers and flick out that hard line. Using the number 0 guard with the lever closed, you're going up about another ½ inch. Right here we have no guard, lever open, and we're starting to fade into that 0. To me, the back of the taper is really hard for some reason, so you really gotta take your time. Here I'm grabbing my 2 guard going up where I want the fade to stop. Right here I grab my 1 guard with the lever closed going up another ½ inch. Right here is my 0 guard with the lever closed and I'm slowly fading it into that 1. I still notice that little dark line, so I'm going no guard with the lever open. I'm trying to flick that out. Right here is number 1 guard with the lever open and I'm trying to fade into that 2. I close the lever halfway just so I can fade it even more. Right here I have my 3 guard with the lever closed and I'm just trying to fade that 2 into the rest of the head. This process is exactly the same as the other side, so just bear with me. Make sure you line up that box so that the taper could stand out. Man, sometimes the lineup can be so crucial, you gotta take your time and be patient. Now you just want to grab your straight blade, pull back the skin, make sure you take your time so you don't cut the customer. Now doing eyebrows is hard just because you have to hold the blade at a certain angle. If you don't hold it at a certain angle, you will make the customer bleed. Make sure you dust off the customer, clean up the neck, use that neck strip to apply the aftershave, and you'll be done. Man, I'm not gonna lie. The dude went from homeless to where the hoes at. Thank you for watching today's video. If you guys want to see me talk about my barber setup, click this video right here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.